Hi guys, in this video I'll be taking you through all of the buttons and functions of the TCL AC remote control. So if you newly bought the TCL split inverter AC, or you have literally any TCL AC at all and you want to be able to properly use your TCL AC remote control, in this video I'll be taking you through everything you need to know. Now first things first, from the top left hand side we have the power button with this red power logo over here, and what this does obviously is to turn on and off the AC. So if I tap on it, it turns on the AC, and if I go ahead to tap on it again, it automatically turns off the AC. So from the top we also have the gentle wind button, and what this does is to basically close the flops of the AC so that you do not have a forceful wind coming from the AC vent over here. So if I go ahead and tap on this gentle wind button over here, you're going to notice the flops of the AC just closing over there. I don't know if you can see it, but then once it is closed, you're going to notice that the force of the wind coming from the AC is not going to be all that aggressive. After that, we have the mode button over here, and this actually changes the different modes of the AC. If you tap on it once, it should go into the next mode, and currently it is on the cooling mode. I don't know if you can see the cooling mode icon on the top of the AC remote control LED screen, and then if you tap on it again, it goes into the next mode. So if I tap on it again, you can see the next mode we have over here, and this is basically the dehumidifying mode or the dry mode. And what this does is to basically take out moisture away from your room. Now if you tap on it again, we go to the next mode, and this is basically the fan mode. For this mode, the compressor of the AC will be turned off, and you're just going to get air coming from the air vent of the AC. It is just going to be pushing air into your room. And then for the next mode, if you tap on it, we have the heating mode. So this is the heating mode icon, and it basically just gives you hot air from your TCL AC. The next button we are actually going to be looking at is this up and down button, and this is the button you use to change the temperature of your TCL AC. So if I tap on the down button over here, it decreases the temperature of the AC all the way down to 16. That is the minimum you can go. And then if you also want to increase it, you can also increase it with the temperature up button over here, and this actually increases the AC temperature all the way to 30. So that is actually the maximum you can go as well. At the center of this control center, we have the fan button, and basically this increases or decreases the fan speed of your TCL AC. So if you tap on this button once, you're going to notice currently there is no fan speed at all coming from the TCL AC, and that is why we have this cancel fan icon over here. Now if you go ahead to tap on it again, you're going to get to the first fan speed mode, which is basically just 1. You have up to 5, and if you tap on it again, we have the fan speed level 2, which is basically the 2 fan speed icon we have over here. You can tap on it again, all the way to 5 fan speed. And then if you tap on it one more time, we have the turbo mode, and this is the turbo mode icon. Basically this gives you the maximum fan speed you can get from your TCL AC. If you go ahead to tap on it again, it automatically goes into the automatic mode, and this is just going to move all the way from fan speed number 1 up to 5 depending on your room temperature. Another name for the highest fan speed is actually the turbo mode, and that is why we have this turbo button over here. So if you want to be able to directly go into the turbo mode, you can just tap on it, and you're going to see the turbo mode icon over here, giving us the highest fan speed from the TCL AC. Now on the left and the right side, we have the flops button. So this one actually swings the flops of the AC up and down, and then this one on the right hand side actually swings the flops of the AC left and right. So if I go ahead and tap on this one over here, you're going to notice that the flops of the AC is just going to be going all the way up and down. I don't know if you can notice it. And then if I go ahead to tap on it again, it automatically stops the flops of the AC at the point where I tap on the button. Now if you also want to adjust the horizontal flops, that is the left and right direction, you can go ahead and just tap on this one over here, and then it is just going to adjust the flops of the AC from left to right. And if you go ahead to tap on the button again, it automatically stops the horizontal flops at the points where you tap on the button as well. On the TCL AC, there is also the Gen button, and this is basically the economy button in some AC's remote control, and basically this is just going to save you power on your TCL AC. So if I go ahead to just tap on it once, just like so, currently it is off and now it is set to level 3, and then if I tap on it again, like so, it goes into level 2, and then if I tap on it again, it goes into level 1, which is actually going to save me about 20% energy as well. If you want to turn off the Gen mode, you can just go ahead and tap on it one more time, and you can see that the Gen mode is now turned off. There is also the I feel button, which basically uses your TCL AC remote control to determine the temperature of the room and also adjust the temperature of the AC to fit your needs. The next button we are going to be looking at is the sleep timer button, and with your TCL AC remote control you can actually set a time for the AC to turn off or the time for the AC to turn on. And the way you do this, if the AC is turned on, then the sleep timer is going to work for when the AC is going to turn off, and when the AC is turned off and you tap on the sleep timer, it is going to work for when the AC is going to turn on. So if the AC is actually turned off, you can as well go ahead and set a timer. So tap on the timer button over here, also set for when I want it to on with the up and down button over here, so I can go ahead and set it to on in the next 4 hours, and then just tap on the timer button again, and again it is just going to turn on in the next 4 hours as well. There is also the echo button over here, and what this particular button does is to adjust the fan speed and then the compressor of your TCL AC to circulate air and the temperature around the room so that the AC does not have to consume as much power as it will normally consume. So you want to go ahead and just tap on the echo button if you want that. If you also long press on this echo/display button, it is going to take off the display on your TCL AC. This can be very useful if you want to sleep and you do not like the LCD display over here. Just go ahead and long press on the display/echo button and automatically it is just going to go off. You can do the same thing again to turn on the LCD display. Also on the left hand side we have the sleep button over here, and if you long press on it, the sleep mode is actually activated, enabling you to be able to get the best sleep time with your TCL AC. Finally, if you long press on both the timer button and the echo button, if you long press on these two buttons together for about 5 seconds, it is going to be giving me cool fan air from the TCL AC. If you're also in the heating mode and then you long press on both buttons, you're going to be getting hot air coming from the fan of the TCL AC as well. And if you check the remote display, you can literally see the indication over here as well. The health/clean button on your TCL AC remote control is supposed to give you just clean, fresh air coming from outside of your room into your room using the TCL AC. So you can go ahead and tap on this if you actually want fresh and clean air, and you can literally see the indication over here on the TCL AC remote control as well. Finally, to turn on Wi-Fi on your TCL AC, you would have to long press on the mode button and the volume up button for about 5 seconds, and you're going to see the CF logo on your TCL AC, meaning that Wi-Fi is now turned on. Or you can just tap on the echo/display button for 6 times, and again that might actually turn on Wi-Fi on your TCL AC depending on the type of TCL AC or the model of TCL AC you have. Also, we have the 8 degrees Celsius button when you long press on the echo button and the health button, and what this does is to basically put your TCL AC on standby until the temperature of the room gets below 8 degrees Celsius. Then it will just heat up the room and go off again. So this is basically a heating feature, and if I long press on both buttons now for some seconds, it should automatically activate the 8 degrees Celsius feature. You can see that over here. To remove it from this feature, you will just have to long press on both buttons again for about 5 seconds, and again your TCL AC will be turned on. That will be all for this video, guys. If this tutorial was helpful, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.